Okay, let's look at the homework 2.5, 2.6, number 5. All right, so we want to find the derivative of this given function. All right, so let's do that. All right, so derivative, so this is going to be a general power rule. All right, so y prime is going to be equal to, all right, 3 is in front, all right, keep the same quantity, so it's a 4x squared over 2 minus x. Subtract 1 from the power, so it's 2, right? Then multiply by derivative of the inside function. So that's the chain rule part. So let's do that. So it's going to be, so I'm going to use a quotient rule here. Square the bottom. So it's going to be quantity 2 minus x squared, right? Then take the derivative of the top, so that's 8x. Right, times the bottom, which is 2 minus x. Right, then minus, remember that it's a quotient rule, right? So top guy is 4x squared, right? Then derivative of the bottom, which is actually just negative 1. All right. Then should clean up a little bit. All right. So you have, let's see, you have 1 here, negative 1 here, and a negative sign. So we can just cancel this and turn into a positive sign here. All right. Then we can just clean up a bit. All right. All right. On the bottom, you can probably combine. So you have 2 minus x squared, and you have another square here. So you can probably write it as 2 minus x to the 4th powered, right? So that will take care of the denominators. So that's that, and that took care of that. All right. So let's take out the common factor. So it seems like let's see, there's a 3 there, so I'll take care of that, 3. All right. Then you have, let's see, so you have a 4x squared, so maybe I'll put that in, 4x squared, all right. So this part, let's see, 4x would be in common, so I'll pull out 4x, right? So if you pull out 4x from here, so you have 2 left, so 2 times 2 is 4, right? 2 times negative x is negative 2x, right? Then if you pull out x here, so that's going to be just a plus x, right? So you will get, all right. So first thing is I'm going to just pull out all the constants. So you have 4 squared, so that's a 16, right? And 16 times, actually 16, and there's another 4 here. So 16 times 4 is 64, and 64 times 3. So for 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 6 is 18, so 192, all right? So took care of all the constants. So then you have x squared, so x to the 4th, right? And also you have another x sitting here, so x to the 5th, right? Then we just have to, let's see, this is going to be 4 combine these two guys, minus 2x and the x, so it's just minus x. Right? Then you have on the bottom is the same. So quantity 2 minus x to the 4th power. All right? So it just requires a little bit of cleaning. All right? Let's check to see if it's the right answer. Oops. All right, so let's type in, so it was 192 x to the 5th power, and the quantity 4 minus x, and divided by 2 minus x raised to the 4th power. All right, so let's see if this is correct. Submit for testing. All right, it came back as the correct answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.